This beef stroganoff is creamy, it's steamy, and it's ready to steal the spotlight. Prepare for a little kitchen seduction. We are making beef stroganoff tonight, and I'm going to be chopping up half an onion here. And this is actually a really large clove of garlic. You could let's take this over where it's hot. Okay, we're just going to saute the onion and garlic while we go back, and we're going to cut up the meat. Okay, I've got 4 steaks here. We're going to slice up. Okay, with the beef here, what I'm going to do is just a little pinch of salt through here. I'm going to put a little bit of, I've got 2 tablespoons of flour. We're just going to flour up the beef. And we're going to take it over to the station. The hot side of things. Come on over. Okay. You can see here we've got the onions sauteing with the garlic. I'm going to pull that off so we can do the beef. I want just a little pat of butter and a splash of olive oil. I'm going to be using spicy pepper medley here as my seasoning. That's probably around a tablespoon of that spice. I'm going to take some beef Bovril, and I'm just going to drizzle it over top of the steak. And there, my friends, it's going in the hot. I have a little bit of leftover red wine, so I'm going to pour that in here in a minute. We want to sear off the beef a bit here. And now I'm going to add a little bit of red wine. As the mushrooms reduce in here, you're actually going to find that it liquefies a bit. We're going to add back in the garlic and mushrooms. This is going to be the base of the tangy sauce. We're going to turn this down to simmer, and let's put a lid on it. Oh, one more thing. A little bit of beef broth in here. About half a cup. Okay, we're going to let that simmer for about half an hour. We're coming back here. We're going to take the lid off. It's been simmering for half an hour. Take a look at that. It looks amazing. I have water boiling here, and we're going to use no yolks. They're egg noodles. There we go. That's going to take about 6 minutes to boil, and then we're going to take it over to the other station to build our dinner. I think the noodles look like they're done. Look at that. We're going to take this back over here and make our dinner. Take a look at this, folks. This is so amazing, so creamy, so dreamy. Let's get it stacked. Okay, we've got egg noodles here. my gosh, it smells so good. And let's just top it off with a little green onion. And there you have it, folks. That is beef stroganoff. You'll be asking for this every day. And cheers. Till next time.